Hi folks, welcome back. As you can see on the table there, one petrol tank all sanded down, and hanging in the paint booth, one petrol tank etch primed. Sorry, I've lost all the footage from Sunday and a bit of footage from this morning when we were painting the tank. Something happened to the camera between leaving the garage and reaching the computer room. When I put the SD card in, it said that the content was corrupted. So sorry and all that, but I lost the prep of the tank. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you see the tank painted anyway before I moved on to the next sort of a project. So I'm just going to take this down off the paint booth, set up the table, and then we'll go on to today's little mission. So that's the petrol tank etch primed, ready for about a 2k. Woohoo! Look what arrived on Monday. One rollover jig, courtesy of Handling Solutions. So cable on a pallet on Monday morning. So I'm going to degrease it and give it a quick blatter, hammerite, just to sort of take the greases and stuff off it and make it easier. And it's going to get covered in paint and it's going to get sandblasted, it's going to get thrown all sorts of stuff at it, so it's really just for my benefit more than anything. So wee quick video just to let you see what's involved in it, and then I'll do another video possibly at the weekend to see how the time goes with it. I'm going to give it a degrease today, give it a coat of hammerite, and we'll leave it at that sort of thing. So I'll just give it a good clean off with this U-Pol slow degreaser. Really good stuff. It really cuts through the grime and the muck on it. Because literally everything you touched was just covered in grease. So just stick you on fast forward, give it a quick run through. Apologies to David from Handling Solutions, because I found the instructions. They had somehow managed to get underneath the flap in the bottom of the box. So when I emptied the box out today fully, there was a little brown envelope tucked in underneath the bottom. So panic over, but thanks again for your prompt attention. Anybody thinking of buying a jig, these are definitely a good company to deal with. I thought there was no instructions with it. I emailed them on Sunday night, Monday morning, Tuesday night, Monday night, and Tuesday morning, 8 o'clock, phone call to resolve the problem. Now, that's my kind of customer service. So, big thumbs up to David there at Handling Solutions. So, anyway, back to the jig. As I say, I'm just sort of degreasing it. Going to get a whack with hammerite. So, bit of a boring video, but just thought I'd sort of let you know what's involved in it. If I had more money and time, I'd have probably got it powder coated. But as it's going to get sandblasted, painted, and God knows what, may as well just bang some hammerite on it. I had half a tin lying in the garage, so as you can see, the main legs of it are very substantial. Not like some of the other ones that I've seen that are quite sort of to be honest, they look quite flimsy. This has got a bit of meat to it. It's also on 6 casters, which you'll see when I put it together, which will make it easy to move about. Obviously the casters lock as well. So yeah, all in all, I'm really pleased with it. And as I say, great company to deal with. So all in all, winner. So just as I say, giving it a quick blast of hammerite. Let that dry. And then once this is just a wee quick flick over, I'll assemble it and then probably give it another coat before I actually attach the Mini to it. Catch all the wee bits that I've missed on the first pass with the hammer, right? It's just a can of hammerite I had sitting in the shelf that I'd bought actually for painting my tow bar and stuff on the van. So yeah, all in all, very, very impressed. Let's see if I'm as impressed when I'm putting it together. As I say, get your earbuds out, folks, because there'll be plenty of swearing. The bleep machine will be working overtime. But yeah, definitely. I would say it's definitely well worth the money. I hope it operates as well as it looks. Anyway, that's us had a wee quick lick of paint on most of it. So the two main bars that stood behind me, I'll do them once they're actually assembled and they're off the ground. It's be easier just to sort of whack a coat of paint on it. So anyway, as I said, it was just a wee quick video just to let you see what was involved in it. And as I said, sorry about the tank. I say I have no idea what happened to the camera. So I took it up, everything was fine in the garage, got to the computer, went to upload it, and it just said that the data was corrupted, so it couldn't be uploaded to the computer. So that was a picture that I had took at the beginning, which I got, and obviously this morning's when I went to take it off the paint booth. So that's it basically. Thanks for watching, people. If you liked the wee video, give us a like and subscribe. Stay safe and take care, people. Ta-ra.